betul. Oh jorak ketal. Sini bumung kesam.
Kotoro borok sini. Report kong borok.
Haji borok.
Report kong borok. Report kong borok. Kotoro borok sisa de. Kotoro borok.
For to make any MLA or MDC, this is to die for our Roman script and for our Kotoro. If you are ready to die, you come. Please come here. Don't expect that I will. This platform will make MLA or MDC or any chairman or more province MLA MDC chairman please. And yak turke sawo any neta okay if he loves Roman script, if he loves Kotoro, please आ जाओ इसमें बैठो हमारे साथ इनकलाब जिंदाबाद करो ठीक है okay at the same time angkai kaisa 30 point kan sengluka last 50 years political biplop kali pelaka andron kali pelaka tabuk tini of platform ni simi ang sarani nayo sini dol ni torok hoite dokani torok hoite let us make a social revolution samajik biplop kali na no political gain no political solution kenra politically obakun demo solution rakha abono ang cinta kalayo aboni bagine ang saranayo appeal kalayo to every educated, every corner, every people, young, old, everybody, every society, semua social revolution. Samajik biplop kalau lainnya, obosara, ekor chance kere, success nani. Fourthly, yang precisely sana na yo, je sini Kotoro sana ni. To speak our Kotoro is at our liberty. Sini sadinota at our liberty. Oro kebono seng bohogola trimo biya kebono musumani biya sini kok mani kok sana ni joto ni odikar. If Kotoro non-speaking group they speak their own language, we appreciate. But then I appeal to the non-Kotoro speaking group to appreciate our language because this is my mother tongue. The way you love your mother tongue, you must love and respect my mother tongue also. Ayo angkai awal bagainya ang apil kalayo for non-speaking people. Ang kebono joli sama biya, ang kebono nasli sanan biya. This is not a platform to hate anybody, to revolt against anybody. But then we humbly petition, submit our petition. We humbly appeals to our non-speaking people. Please, you must, the way you love your language, you must show your love and respect for our Kotoro also. Then only there is Sabani Kotongo, Nana Basa, Nana Bombo, Nana Puridan, Bibi Deri Magat Majadeko Milan Mohan. If that is the case, then the way you love your language, you must love my Kotoro also. Then only Milan Mohan. There is possible of Milan Mohan. Hey, I know Nunkani Kotoro Nasser Zago. Okay, Kok Resawa, Milan Mohan. Hey, there cannot be any Milan Mohan. You must respect my Kotoro also. Okay, take a sana na yo sini learned speaker of Fatima Saitaka. Tamo commission logung lai lai kapun dengan. Commission cannot solve any problems. Setting the commission, last 50 years we have tried. Last 50 years in commission, kalau lagi umum commission, Pabitra commission, sama seorang commission, did not solve. These are all politicized. These are all politicized. Ang tabuk sana na yo, appeal kalayo, ini o platform ni matome, there should be referendum. Ang kok sanay, ang kamu by kok sanay, kamu by sinay, this is my liberty at my liberty. Amo ni bagay no. Tini sunjok to say mano 99% Kotoro speaking group they want Roman script. Roman script. Let there be referendum. Hey, ground of who loves Roman script? Referendum. Or commission. Let there be referendum. Then the finally government will decide.
And all the leaders here present, city leaders, activists, and different social organization leaders, artists, singers, everyone. Since Simon, we know that the demand for Roman script for Kotoro Choba, it has been more than a decade. It has been more than 50 years that the demand for Roman script has been placed to the government, but till now we know that the government are silent and they were a silent spectator. They never wanted the issues of the indigenous people to be solved. And today, from this very gathering in this sit-in demonstration, I want to pass the message to the government and as well as to all the people, the Kotoro speaking people especially, to choose our script should be decided by the indigenous people, by the Kotoro speaking people, by the Kotoro speaker. What language, what script to choose for us language. It is the matters of us, of our people. It is not the matters of any other community. It is because we know that the language is our pride identity. Since Simon Kotoro language is one of the richest language. We have so much pride and identity in our language. I want to remind my dear fellow peoples, my dear friends, brothers, in the history, looking back, we know that there is a creation of different country based on language movement. That is the example we know in our neighboring country. Bangladesh has not been just created. There is a movement for language, for the identity, for the protection of language of Bengali. That is why just after the independence of India and Pakistan, there was a movement of language, of Bengali language. That is how the Bangladesh has been created. They succeeded in 1971. There was a creation of Bangladesh in 1971. This is all the result of the language movement of the Bengali people for their language. In the same way, from this very gathering, I want to pass the message that we shall overcome.
This land have been struggling and asking and demanding for Roman script and the Kotoro. Some for decades, more than 40 years in Lai Tangka, Choba Klaimang. Antini Kacha no sini Siklar Tanimo, Cox Hawaii and message from Musugo. There is an intention there. Sini Odo Fasini O Zatino, Sokomoroni Bangoy, Sini Sinimungno, Sokomoroni Bangoy, Sini Kokno, Sokomoroni Bangoy, or Neo Belai Kotormas Hot Zontro Tongo, almost in Belai clear. Omokok Sakake Pasana, political message, political speech, but it automatically comes in my mind. If we look at the history, Canada among my indigenous people, extinct in Kakamai Tanka, Borne identity Krika, Borne Kokrika, Australia among my original Bororo, Kamai Tanka, Borne Kokrika, Borne Sumun Kurini Bangoy, Borne identity Krini Bangoy, New Zealand is the same. Sri Lanka is the same. Kamangma subcontinent ro omahai klaimna app origin. Indigenous people, original people rockni kamai thangmani sangmo extinct man logon. Reason being borokni identity pila sikmanai. The majority borok the ruler hi tonerok, intellectual group tonerok, borokni instinct, borokni intention omono. Mothasi konsikong borok sikong dofasi kano sokomorinani rule klainani. Amongka instinct, amongka history, probes, Klayo. And Chiklarok, Mirok Mitani Okona Sana Musago. The time has come for you and for me. Sensini, Tuitang Baizaka, or Hawak Grika, Sini Hawak Grika, and Samana, 5 decades, almost 50 years of Monosoba Kaimani. The money Homale, Taboko Royako. Tabak sing Mayako, Omoni Bangay na sini Omahai Jorawo, Roman script for Kotoro Choba Hisang business kang Oma Fom Klaika, Zoto 56 constituent body by Khaza Klavinai. Omono sing Tebu Marak Harunai, Tebu Ma, Omono Yagma Polok Lainai, Tani Homole, Androgna Antiniwo, Shankra, Kalinai Sanai, Tani Homole Sirina Hormon, Roman script for Kotoro Choba, Choba, only Shankra can move forward. Shankra,